Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I am obsessed with TULA skincare products. They are a huge part of my daily routine, and this particular primer is the final step in my skincare routine or the first step if I am wearing makeup that day.
Like my other TULA products that I love, this has probiotics in it to help my skin feel and look its best. I appreciate that this primer is lightweight so it doesn't feel too heavy on my skin. I do have pretty oily skin and I do not feel like this is adding to oil or shine. It has a slight glimmer, a little bit of a goldenness to it, but it is not tinted, so it looks great on all different skin tones, but it just gives you this really nice smooth finish that looks really beautiful. Again, if I'm not wearing foundation, I'll put this on as a last step, or then I'll put this on before my foundation.
I love this face filter primer. I think that it is the perfect complement to the rest of my skincare routine. If I am not wearing makeup, I feel really confident because it's helped my face be nice and smooth and even. It helps me to look and feel my best. I highly recommend checking it out, but that's just my point of view.